hello. It's not 54, and just waking up. We are all about taking our time here and not about rushing jobs, but sometimes situations call for us to work as quick as we can, and we've got one day to make this silver Defender, this blue, and to make matters worse, this is a very hard vinyl to install, but we've got the full team on it. 1st of March is coming up, so we need new cars on the road ready, and we don't want to let the dealership down. So we've pre-warned them, it might not happen, but we're going to try our best. So stay tuned, let's see if we can make this Defender, which looks kind of boring in silver, this amazing blue colour. Let's go. If it was any other vehicle, we would have said absolutely not, but we wrap Defenders most weeks and we're really efficient at them. We just know them like the back of our hands. So we are currently removing all the parts that need to be removed, prepping all the edges just so we can start getting that vinyl on while the other guys carry on prepping. It's having a black bonnet and grille, I think, on half to the scuttle panel. The scuttle panel is really tricky on these to do, so we'll show you about that after. But for now, yeah, let's get some blue on this car. It's 9:54, first door is blue, most of the car's strapped. Is it cleaned? Yeah, hello. It's 9:54 and just waking up. So yeah, I'll keep you updated as we go along the video. Right, 11:44, we've got nearly four panels on, all the door handles are on. We're just waiting for confirmation off the customer whether these are going blue and black, blue or black, not blue and black, that would be quite funny. Yeah, so I think they should go black, hopefully the customer says black. I've also asked if we can fit some black badges to it instead of the silver ones, just waiting confirmation on all that. But yeah, 11:44, made good progress, so on to the other side soon, and we'll do the wings last, I think, because they're the hard bits. .308, and we've got from here back wrap, so we've got two wings, bonnet and grille left. Not looking too bad. Got these A-pillars left to do, we're not worried about them, they're easy. So yeah, I'd send one guy to Land Rover to do a little job, so we haven't had as many people on it as we thought, but we're doing it, we're working. We've got 2 hours left, we're not giving up yet, so yeah, let's see. £5. We've done pretty well, but it's not finished, but I can finish it Monday before I take it back to the dealers. We've got all the blue on, to be fair. These are going black, bonnet's going black. So all I've got left is bonnet and grille, and these easy little bits that are 5 minutes each. So I've got about, now I'm on my own because all the lads are on a big job next week and I can't get them off the job, so I'm going to finish this on myself. I reckon, I'm going to say this now, 2.5 hours. I've got 2.5 hours Monday to do. You got that, George?
Yep.
2.5 hours and then this will be done. We've been all right today. We've had a lot of people on it, in and out, because we've got loads going on. 8 hours, got all the blue done. Not that bad, right? Weekend time. See you in a minute, which will be Monday. We failed on the 8 hours on doing it in a day. It took 2.5 hours on my own this morning just finishing it off, but it looks absolutely fantastic. Luckily, the dealership knew we were going to run over. We had given them the heads up, so they pushed delivery day back to Wednesday, so everything's worked out well, like it always does. But yeah, it would have been nice to get it done in a day, but just failed. So let us know in the comments, what do you think? I'll leave George to get the finishing shots. We will see you in the next video.